Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Calculus problems like this are actually super fast to solve if you know the trick. Let's find the constants for this local extremum right now. First, find the function's derivative using the product rule. Differentiating x to the bx yields a times b to the bx plus abx e to the bx. With a local extremum at x equals 2, the derivative is 0. Plugging in 2 and factoring out the exponential term gives b as negative 1/2. Using f of 1 equals 100 and our b value, solving for a yields 100 times the square root of e. Well done! Option B is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid mistakes and trust given conditions for success.